Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about how you can make a good habit day by day, and our English fluency will be improvement day by day. So just you can follow these are step, and absolutely you will be improvement, and your fluency will be day by day is the emerging and the fluency. So let me break down it. So firstly, daily habit. You make a daily habit like whatever you have around, just you need to reminder what is this, and you can just learn this is the meaning and something. And after that you just focus on the your daily basis activity, and you describe in the one word. It is the help to the English conversation, because for example, when you are going any places, then you can describe I am going to the that particular places. And for example, and again, if you are doing something like reading and making notes, then you can describe in the one word whatever you are doing in that particular times. And second thing is read newspaper one page daily. It is help to the our grammar mistake, and it is help to the our fluency, and it is also help to the our pronunciation day by day. And for example, in initial time you don't need to learn a lot of things like advanced level grammar and something. Just you need to take a one step, and day by day then you will be improvement, and then you go to the advanced level English conversation. So firstly you make a good habit, and you follow to them day by day, and then you will familiar these are like step, and then you will be improvement, and you will be understanding about the English conversation, and your subconscious mind will understand what you want to and what you want to conversation front of anyone. Firstly you make a good habit and train your mind. Your mind will be trained according to the English conversation and English content. Then you will be able to do everything in the English. So just you follow to them. And second thing is you read a book. Firstly you, I'm not talking about you read 1 hour 2 hours, just 2 page or 3 page you can use, and you can read aloud. When you use and aloud conversation and reading a lot of, then your English will be boost and confidence will boost on the same time. So just you focus on the reading is the help to the ever like mind understanding about the English conversation. So just you read day by day in the consistently way. For example, if you are read one day or 2 hours, and over day I read it 3 hours, and next day you didn't read, then your English will be not improvement. Just to focus day by day. Even I'm talk about you, just you are giving like 5 minutes and 10 minutes to one particular page, then you can give, and it is help to the your fluency. But you make a consistency way. After that your English will be improved again and again, I am saying. And again you can use the mirror practice is the your make a good habit. And mirror practice reduce and deplete our um, overwhelmed and our stressful. It is help to the our confidence, and it is also help to the our like fluency and pronunciation. For example, you are studying higher education and you need to give a presentation, then firstly you need to practice front of mirror. It is help to the at times during the give presentation. So just you can follow, and it is very important for English conversation. And again I'm talking about the listening audio book. If you are going anywhere, if you have busy, if you have times, then you can take it, and you can put in the earphone your ear. And after that you can listen the English podcast and English such type of video. It is help to the understanding about the English. Yeah, it is very important every person. Just you can follow them and you implement. Thank you so much. See you soon next video.